The long-awaited Tapswap allocation is finally here. After almost a year of tapping and Tapswap, the allocation has been done. So if you come to your Tapswap and then you come here under drop, so you're going to see the allocation you have gotten. So in this my accounts, I have 33 Tapswap token. So that's the amount I actually got here on this account. And I've seen a lot of people that it was clearly stated for them that they are not eligible. The reason I don't know, probably because of inactivity. Maybe they've abandoned Tapswap for a very long time. So what is your own Tapswap allocation? Are you eligible, and how much of token were you allocated? So drop in the comment section the amount of token you are allocated, and then your coin balance before the end of season 1, and also state the level you've actually gotten to and the tappy time you've actually achieved, a percentage of tappy time you've actually achieved before the end of next season. So because of what I'm looking at now, there's every possibility that Tapswap will actually be listing above $1. The news is that Tapswap will actually be launched on BNB blockchain. That's Binance blockchain. Initially, it was set to launch on Solana. From Solana, it was turned to from Ton now to BNB. So we hope and wish that the listing will be okay. So tell us your experience in Tapswap. And for withdrawal option, you can see here the option will be available very soon. We're hoping and believing that by next week listing will actually take place. So if you look to your BitGet account, you can see deposit address is already. So if you come to your BitGet account, under deposit, you're going to see that Tapswap is already there, and the network here is BSC. That's Binance Chain, as Binance Smart Chain. So drop your thought in the comment section of what is actually going on in Tapswap.